Right now is Design Week in New York City. It's very exciting. There's a lot of stuff happening in the city, and of course, we couldn't stay behind. We are very excited to be setting up our new showroom here at Hook.
We started with a Kickstarter back in October 2020, and that was our first iteration of the furniture. And through conversations with a lot of the consumers over the past 6 months, we realized that we needed to make some updates, improve the product, and that's really what we've done here with version 2.
It's a very satisfying experience assembling the pieces in person, so we're kind of using the showroom as a way for people who haven't really experienced the furniture to come and check it out and click together the legs and really see the kind of system that we've designed.
I think one of the main things is we've kind of future-proofed it, and we've created this rail system that allows for a bunch of accessories and modular things to be added to the desk or to any piece of the furniture. So you can kind of like curate your own piece of furniture with this version 2 system. So I think that's pretty exciting.
It was a very hectic past few weeks trying to get version 2 done. And I can just say that we are very proud and excited to show it to people. This is our first actual launch